The pied imperial pigeon, Ducula bicolor, is a striking bird that commands attention with its elegant appearance and serene demeanor. Found primarily in Southeast Asia and the coastal forests of northern Australia, this pigeon is a symbol of grace and beauty in the avian world. The pied imperial pigeon is a large bird, with a body length ranging from 38 to 44 centimeters. Its most defining characteristic is its smooth, silky plumage, predominantly white with a glossy black tail and wing feathers. This stark contrast in colors gives the bird its pied description, making it easy to recognize in its natural habitat. This species prefers tropical and subtropical regions, especially islands and coastal forests. You will often find them roosting in mangroves, rainforests, or isolated islets. The pied imperial pigeon is also commonly found in areas with abundant fruit-bearing trees, as its diet primarily consists of figs, berries, and other fruits. The pied imperial pigeon is primarily frugivorous, meaning its diet consists largely of fruit. It is known to fly long distances in search of food, consuming large quantities of fruit, which it helps disperse through its droppings. They are known to be sociable, often seen in flocks, especially during migration or when they gather around fruiting trees. Their flight is swift and direct, with steady wing beats, and they are capable of flying across vast expanses of water between islands. Their cooing calls, though not particularly loud, can be heard as soft, soothing sounds, adding to the peaceful ambience of their surroundings. The breeding season for the pied imperial pigeon generally coincides with the abundance of food in their habitat. They build simple, flimsy nests made of twigs, usually high up in trees. The chick grows rapidly, thanks to the nutritious pigeon milk regurgitated by both parents. Currently, the pied imperial pigeon is classified as of least concern on the IUCN Red List, meaning that it faces no immediate threat of extinction. However, habitat destruction, particularly the clearing of forests, poses a long-term risk to this species. In some parts of its range, the pied imperial pigeon holds cultural importance. Indigenous communities in Australia and the Pacific Islands view the bird as a symbol of peace and renewal. Its graceful presence, coupled with its essential role in seed dispersal, makes it a fascinating species worth preserving. As we continue to learn more about these birds, it becomes clear how vital their conservation is, not just for their survival but for the health of the tropical environments they inhabit.